So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Pixel Flow on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up in the bottom left between home and surveys, there's the games icon. Press on that and then press on get started. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where it's the games page and where it says sort by most popular. We're going to go ahead and go Z to A. Because we are looking for the game Pixel Flow, we're just going to scroll down a little bit here till we get to the P's. Once we are at the P's, which we should be, hopefully pretty soon, Pixel Flow is right here. Simply go ahead and press on it. So once you've pressed on it, you have to press on Get Now at the top. Now once you guys actually have the game installed, basically the further you guys go in the game, so if you complete level 1, 5, 10, all the way up to level 1,000, etc., you can earn swag bucks as a result. And by getting enough swag bucks, progressing enough throughout the game, you can cash that in eventually for real money in the form of gift cards. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to make real money by playing Pixel Flow on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.